Okay, I'm going to try to show you some stuff on my little homemade website, uh, 247 Fast Start Review. Uh, Let me go to that website and I'll try to walk you through some of this stuff. Uh, okay. Okay, like I'll pay your way in if you want me to. Uh, for part one, and uh, it's a 5 level marketing plan. Level one pays $4, level two pays $2, level three pays $2, level four pays $2, and level five pays $4. This could earn you $14,000, saying 5 people get 5 people to fill 5 levels. And uh, I've got 7 people in, counting myself twice. I'm all in on one deal, and then I got in again at a different address uh, to uh, maximize my potential. And uh, okay, there's a level two, which pays 39,000 if you get 5 to fill 5 levels, and that pays level one $30. Level two, three, four, and five, it pays $10 each on all of those levels. And then you can earn 90,000 in part three, the masterclass training course. It pays, level one pays $100. Level two, three, four, five pays $25 each. And uh, that can pay you 90,000, that master training course level. And you get in on level one, and then you get in on level two, and then you can get in on level three. That's what I did to start out. And I've paid 7 people's way in so far to get started on level one. And I'll pay your way in too if you want me to. Okay, we got a live weekly training on Mondays at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the number of the call is area code 720-820-1226. That's 720-820-1226. You may want to put like if you're living outside of the USA, I got other things that you can do on this website, and you can also get a forwarding address to where you have a mailbox in the USA to where you can sign up for these opportunities that are for the USA only, and they'll forward your mail to you. They'll scan it and forward it to you, and you can also open up with them for getting checks. If somebody mails them checks to your address, they'll deposit them in your bank account for you. You have to get that set up with them. So this is good worldwide if you get a USA mailbox address. Uh, at the top of the page, you'll see an opt-in box. You fill that out, and I'll pay your way in. And there's a link. I ask for a link to anything else that you're doing, and I'll promote that link for anything else you're doing free for you. And I'll also promote your 24 Fast Start link when you join. I'll advertise it free on a rotator. All I ask you to do is email it to me at ss8853 smshostingservice.com.
New visitor.
That's ss8853 smshostingservice.com. That's ss8853 smshostingservice.com. And then I got a master rotator link that you can sign up if you want to pay your own way in, this will put you in probably somebody else's organization. The master rotator link is what I got set up for all the people I'm bringing into this. And then I got a public rotator stats link for the 247 Fast Start team. And you can see how many hits you're getting through me advertising for you. And so I'm doing everything for you. With me doing what I can to help you and you doing what you can, we can get this thing rolling fast for you to where you're making money. Just even at the part one system, that could pay $14,000 with this 5 getting 5 to fill 5 levels, and so let me see. At the bottom of the page, I got links to a lot of other things I'm doing, and so you'll see them. You may want to get into something that you can join from any country. At the bottom of the page, you'll see links, and then I got stamps for doing direct mailing, because this is a direct mail internet marketing system. This 245 Fast Start, and they send you a startup kit to where you can do direct mailings, and so these stamps at 50% off. You buy 100 stamps, and you can get them for the price of 2 books, full price. You get 5 books for 50% off, and then I just got a lot of links to other things I'm doing that will help you out in internet marketing. I've got a link in there to a page that I built to help people that are marketing anything, anything at all. I got a link to a help page that I built, and well, that's really about all I got to say. And my time is getting pretty high on this video. So, but go to the top of the page, sign up, and give me a link to anything else that you're doing. And I'll promote it free, and I'll promote your 247 free, and I'll sign you up free, to where you don't have to pay anything for part one. I'll get you in free.